My name is Ligna. I'm an engineering graduate in electronics and instrumentation. I'm graduated in 2019. So as an engineer, getting a job in a core field is very difficult because the thing is, we don't have a practical exposure. And the first thing is, I'm an engineering graduate in APJ Abdul Kalam Technological University. So that was the first university. We were the first batch of that university invented. After the invention of that university, we were the first batch. So we don't have that much practical exposure about the theory. We only have the theory knowledge, but we don't have the practical knowledge. So getting a job in a core field, we need experience. That's the first thing. So after the graduation, that was a big question mark in my mind was where I am getting the core company field job. So one of my faculties suggested me when we are getting a diploma course in any of the well-known institute, it will help you to get a job in the industries. So one of the faculty itself, they suggest the place Pune because there is a lot of industries are there in Pune itself. So that's the reason I search for an institute that providing a good practical exposure and a placement assistance also. So I searched a lot of institutions in Pune itself, and I just came here. I shortlisted around 5 to 6 courses, 6 institutes here in the Pune itself. Then I directly go there and study what is exactly they are given to the students. So I came to here, I came to a lot of institute other also. And what is the attractive part for the Just Engineering is they are providing a lot of practical exposure and they are providing with the examples of these projects. Because what exactly happened in this diploma course is there will be a 3 months theory course will be there where you study about all the theory parts about the industrial automation, about the PLCs, about the SCADAs, about the HMI, different PLCs, different SCADAs, everything you will get the theory exposure. After the theory exposure, you should have to get some exposure in the practical also. So that's the reason there is a 3 months internship course also. In the internship course, you will have the hands-on experience of the 5+ projects. In the industry-based projects will be there. So the industry-based projects, we have to do the project our own. So the trainer will help you to do the project, how to do the project properly. What will be the things you have to, it will be give a clear, exactly what is the experience in the industries. Like everything, it will be a group will be there, a group leader will be there, how to handle a project within the time. That is the things we are learning from here, how to do the project, how to complete the project with the time limit, and how to coordinate the project, how to do the coordination, how to do the teamwork. That will learn from this 3 months of internship course. So after this 3 months internship course, after completion of the 3 months internship course, you will get a placement assistant from this same institute. So they will guide you how to make a proper resume, because resume is the first part. What is our experience for the past years? That is the idea of the resume. So they will guide you to how to make a proper resume. In that resume, you will get how to explain these projects in there. So for a company, if we are sending a resume for a company, you will get a 5+ projects experience there. So they will think we are an experienced person. We have an experience of 6 months, and 3 months we have a practical hands-on experience also. So we are working on different projects. So that projects makes the experience for us. So there is a lot of experience in this PLC, there are a lot of experience in the SCADA, a lot of experience in the HMI, and how we are implementing the project also. If we are designing some project, how we are implementing that also. So for a company, for a happy news, I recently got placed within a company, MNC company itself, because of Just Engineering, because they refer me as an experienced person, because I have a 3 months of experience in the theory and 3 months of experience in the practical also. So I am look like a experienced person, and obviously I have a experience of 5 more projects. So that's the reason they got shortlisted me, and they give a lot of mock interviews also, how to behave in an interview, what would be the questions will ask to the question in an industries. because for a core company the interview questions will be different. So they have a lot of experience also. They will guide you how to perform in the interview, what will be the questions, general question will ask for the interview, so you can prepare according to that, and the trainers will guide you how to prepare for the interview, what will the exact answer for these questions, how to answer those questions. So like that I answered the questions for my interview, and I just got placed in one of my MNCs. And thank you for Just Engineering.